Hi guys, there has been many rumours that SEAT might be no more, but I think we can prove you wrong. We're here in Barcelona for the Ibiza's 40th anniversary. Now this was a car I had since I was 17, so there's definitely a lot of love there and I can't wait to try them all. After a tour through SEAT's history, which included their time with Fiat and the Pope's car, let's head over to the Ibiza. This is the very first car of the first generation of Ibiza, running from 1984 till 1993. It was a milestone for the company. The Mark II ran from 1993 till 2002, and that's where the Ibiza became more rounded, aerodynamic and sportier, as well as advancements in the equipment and mechanics. The Mark III was then available until 2009 and saw a significant leap in manufacturing quality, engineering, dynamic performance and design. And this is the generation I owned, the Mark IV, running from 2008 until 2017. The sportier look and innovative technology was a continued growth from the previous models. Then comes the Mark V, the one we see in production today. It has customer demands and a movement into the era of environmental awareness and digitalisation, keeping the passion of the Ibiza. We got to explore Barcelona in all 5 generations of Ibiza, and the one I particularly wanted to get back into was the Mark IV. Now we're going to start off with the Mark IV. This is a car that I actually owned when I was 17, and I owned it for about just over a year, did so many of my first miles in these sort of cars, so I'm actually quite excited to be back in this. First things first, please ignore the dodgy glasses. These are the new Meta glasses that do record, so although I might look a little bit weird, hopefully there'll be some really good social content to come from this. But yeah, let's see how we get on driving in Spain, back in one of my very first cars. Alright, which way am I going? That way?
You are going...
Do I go straight?
Round, yeah, so straight up there.
Oh my god. Ibiza, it was such an iconic car for me because at the time everyone had Polos or Fiestas and I loved how different the Ibiza was. I mean, it literally has such aggressive lines for the rear of the car that is a first 18-year-old person's car. It was great. And I loved mine. I did so many miles in it, you feel so comfortable driving in it. The Ibiza is the best-selling car that SEAT have ever made. And you can really see why, because it caters to such a wide variety of individuals. They are almost like putting on a slipper in the sense that you can get in one and it's just so easy and comfortable to drive. The thing is, it's such a well-balanced little car in terms of just driving experience. You can put a lot of trust into this, and as a new driver, that was really vital for building my confidence up on the roads, even building my confidence now on these strange roads. But yeah, I've got a lot of love for this car and I always will do. And to mark the 40th anniversary of the SEAT Ibiza, we're of course getting a limited edition anniversary. So you get this graphene grey colour, 18-inch graphite alloy wheels, as well as a little anniversary limited edition piece here on the B-pillar. Plus some little tweaks inside as well. We've got these exclusive textured bucket seats which are very, very comfortable. You've got a dark aluminium matte finish across all your areas inside, and the best bit is on your doorstep you've got a limited edition anniversary decal. We are certainly spoiled when it comes to modern day cars. I mean, we've got an automatic gearbox, comfortable seats, parking sensors and power steering. But the whole purpose of the Ibiza and the values have stayed the same. It's an affordable car that is just really, really great to drive. It's going to get you from A to B, it's going to do it comfortably, and to be honest, going back from being in a Mark I to all the way now to the Mark V Anniversary Edition, you can't complain. These are fantastic cars. Handling wise, you know, it feels very balanced. It's quite a small super mini still, so even though cars are getting bigger and bigger, the Ibiza stayed a reasonable size. In terms of steering and brakes and pedal feel, everything just feels lovely. I really, really can't complain with it. The steering's well balanced, the brake pedal feels great, and the throttle, like I say, it's there when you need it. The figures don't lie, because you can really see why the Ibiza is SEAT's best-selling car. Throughout all of the generations, it has just been such a market leader in terms of innovation, driving capabilities, and even comfort. Now, going back to some of the rumours that SEAT is on its way out or dying, I really think it still has a place in society, with people maybe swaying towards electric, but they still need an affordable option that's going to tick all the boxes. And SEAT has continuously given that offer since they've been on the market, especially with the Ibiza. And people still need that today. So there we have it, guys. I definitely think SEAT have got a new lease of life coming. I mean, the Ibiza alone, it's an icon I definitely miss. But you all know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.